What if you could protect your heart and enjoy a delicious treat at the same time? Today, I'll show you 3 easy-to-make smoothies that are not only tasty but also packed with heart-healthy nutrients. Number 1, Blueberry Almond Smoothie. 1 cup blueberries, rich in antioxidants. 1 tablespoon almond butter, healthy fats for your heart. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. A little honey if you like it sweet. Backhand index pointing right, blend until smooth. This purple powerhouse fights inflammation and keeps your arteries flexible. Number 2, Spinach Avocado Smoothie. 1 cup fresh spinach, loaded with potassium to control blood pressure. 1/2 avocado, heart protective monounsaturated fats. 1 small banana, natural sweetness and fiber. 1 cup low-fat milk or oat milk. Backhand index pointing right, blend it up. The creamy texture plus leafy greens make this a perfect morning booster for your heart. Number 3, Strawberry Oats Smoothie. 1 cup fresh strawberries, vitamin C for healthy blood vessels. 2 tablespoons rolled oats, fiber to lower cholesterol. 1 cup Greek yogurt, protein and probiotics. A splash of water or milk to thin. Backhand index pointing right. This smoothie is like breakfast in a glass, filling, energizing, and great for heart health. Tips for making heart-healthy smoothies. Use unsweetened milk alternatives or low-fat dairy. Keep sugar low, use fruits for natural sweetness. Add fiber-rich foods like oats, flax seeds, or chia seeds. Always keep portion sizes balanced. So there you have it, 3 quick and easy smoothies that your heart will thank you for. Which one will you try first? Blueberry almond, spinach avocado, or strawberry oats? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who cares about their heart health. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.